Dillian, I'm here. I'm here for the trials. Like when we first met, remember? I'll find him.
What was that? Did you hear that? Nothing. Was that voices? It's memories of the voices dead. Not Dillian.
Dillian's calling to you. Can you hear him?
Don't touch the walls. You don't know what they might do.
Turn back.
She has to keep going.
It's not safe here.
She has to keep going.
If you go down there, no one can save you.
It's too scary.
I can hear him.
Senua, you remind me of a story that the Northmen tell about a young woman warrior. Her name is Hervor, the daughter of a berserker, born after he was killed. She's a wild, willful child who teaches herself to fight with weapons. When she learns where her father is buried, her only desire is to reclaim the treasure buried with him, but above all, the sword, Tyrving.
The voice is getting louder.
Listen, Dillian. Listen, listen, listen. It's him. Listen.
It's getting louder.
Yeah, he is.
You're getting closer.
Keep going.
Senua, follow the voice.
You're nearly there.
Dillian's voice.
It's him. He's going to save you.
Find the voice.
Find him. It's not him.
It's not him.
We told you. We told you it was true.
Find another way. It's not working.
You have to use your mind. Where can you go?
You're failing. Find another way.
Think. Focus. Use your mind.
Why think when he's disappeared, you let him slip through your fingers once again.
Think clearly. You have to find another way. There
another
has to
way.
be another way.
You don't recognize it. Don't doubt yourself. You'll never find it.
She doesn't recognize it.
Yes, you do. You know where you are.
She doesn't.
Listen for his voice. Listen.
Dillian, happening? It's not him, it can't be.
What's that sound? The voice is changing.
What? That's not Dillion.
That doesn't sound like Dillion.
It sounds like something more dangerous.
Something is here.
Herver disguises herself as a man to join a band of warriors, and soon becomes their leader. When they come to the island where her father is buried, her men do not want to go ashore. They say that evil haunts the island, and that it is a worse place by day than other places are by night. Fearless, she lands alone. There are many grave mounds, and all of them have ghostly flames burning over them. She comes to the grave mound of her father after passing through these ghostly fires, as though they were mist. The flames I passed through were real enough. Damn the Northmen to hell.
Ja, ja.
Quiet. He wants me to find him. I'm lost without him.
Maar dat het thee wat rustig bekreeft of zo.
That voice. It's not Dillion. Dillion wants me to face my fears.
What the fuck?
Father? I'm leaving. I've decided. I think it will be good for me.
It's the darkness. It's speaking through
No,
you.
Dad, it's me. I think I can beat it. In my own way.
I can see the darkness in your eyes, child.
I met a boy.
Boy.
The chief said so.
No.
He said he could help me.
It's a trick.
He said I could be normal.
Normal.
Yes.
No boy is going to save you. No one can. When they see the rot growing inside you,
No.
they will turn their back on you. The gods can only fix you through my hand. You're going nowhere.
No.
You will not defy the gods. Come, child, take my hand. Come. Senua.
No. I am leaving.
You cannot escape the darkness. Your curse will make everyone suffer. You will have blood on your hands.
Wow.
do with the sword? What if we're wrong? The sword will never be yours. What if this is the end? It's just a trick. You've been fooled before. You could be fooled again. You're being tested. You don't know. It's just their game for you. You never know which way it's going to go.
I saw once a plague strike northern lands of ice. It was so terrible that not the oldest man among us could remember the like. Hundreds died. The sickness took nearly every person younger than 40 and many older. And where dying mothers gave birth, the marks of the plague were on the babes as they came out of the womb.
Where are we? I don't like it. This place feels...
What is this place?
This place feels... It's... creepy. It feels wrong. It feels strange. Where is it? Where are we?
There he is.
There he is.
The light.
Go towards it.
He's in the house. He's
Find
going in.
He's disappearing.
Follow him.
Don't let him disappear.
The air's gone.
Keep going.
How do you find it? It's just a trial.
It's just another test.
You just have to solve it, and then you will find him.
Then you will succeed. He's so close. Just one.
It's a test. Like the old warrior trials. Dillian will help me.
The stench of rot. She can almost taste it. Do you smell it? No. Don't worry. Not everyone can. It was one spring day when she went to the river with Dillian and the others. For the water. She could taste the rot. But no one else could. She knew something was wrong. Something sinister. She begged them to leave, but they just laughed at her. But soon enough, as the bodies piled up, no one was laughing. And they knew that she was not like that.
The bridge. It's broken. Fix it. You have to fix it. How are you going to fix it?
You can't get to the house until the bridge is fixed.
You must. You have to get to the house. You have to find Dillian.
Hanno. Salut. Was hast du da für eine Klametinette? Du hast nicht an den Scheren da. Okay. Ja, wir haben jetzt mit dem Fernseher gemacht, dass ich etwa um 8 Uhr holen gehe. Also halb 8, 8 Uhr, dann bin ich dann etwa um halb 9 Uhr bei dir zu Röthenbach am Morgen. Ja, gell, von Wort, der Tuch, es geht etwa eine halbe Stunde. Aber ich rufe dir näher an. Ich rufe dir halt heute auf das Nummer an, das mir jetzt hast angerufen. Ist das gut? Nein, ich rufe dir heute an. Das ist spät schon. Ja, also... Auch das sogar von Würzbrunnen noch Bach, also da, mal Würzbrunnen ist das Teil. Da jetzt Dorf, höchstwahrscheinlich ist es.
Now you have to find him. Quick, get to the house. Get to the house.
Also ja,
Finish this trial.
ich rufe dir dann kurz, ja, ist gut,
Get
hä?
to the house.
Before he disappears, Senua.
You have to get in.
Und dann kann ich nicht sagen, sie sollen mir die Geld. Also gut. Dann bis später, hä? Merci auch, so Sali. So, jetzt hat die Brücke aufgebaut irgendwie, hä? Ah, sicher, wenn wir da mit dem Aura sexy Töli da durchlaufen. Vielleicht. Okay, so nicht. Ja, so. Auch nicht. Hm. Und Knöchel können wir auch so nicht, hä? Mhm. Da kommen wir ja nicht durch, das ist klar gewesen. Ja, das ist echt. Hm.
The Northmen speak of a death moon, a light shaped like a half moon that appears inside a house and goes around the walls. I once saw the death moon appear at a farm, and first the shepherd died, then a guest died, and then the farm hands, and then the farmer and 6 of his men drowned at sea. But that is not the end of it, because the dead return to haunt the living. If you see the death moon, then beware, because there will be death in that house.
That's it. You did it. She did too.
It's not done yet.
Just a small piece of the puzzle.
Lässt du mich verarschen? Es gibt also nur die 3 Türen. Ich will nicht weitermachen. Hast du gleich etwas gegen mich? in die Hütte.
Senua! Come to me! Where are you?
I'm here. I'm right here.
Are you in there? Come out if you are.
Where is he? Find him. You have to find him. The runes. Focus. Focus on the runes. Focus the runes.
Dillian! They're coming for me! You can hear Dillian. It's Dillian. Go to him. Dillian. Go to him. He's trying to save you. There it is. It's close. It's close. Move away. Senua, move away. You'll die. You killed him.
What?
Don't let it see you.
Go towards it.
Run.
Focus.
Find it.
Focus. Focus. Two more.
Where are they, Senua? Where are you?
Don't let it see you.
Don't get lost.
Don't let it see you.
Come on.
You'll start to burn.
Going.
There it is. What should I do? Your sword. You came through the wrong door. Where's your sword? Defend yourself. Is that creature? You can't defend it. It's Dillian. Where are you?
The light.
Go towards it. Focus. 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 Look.
Was du mir verarschen?
There it is. It's close. It's close. Move away. Senua, move away.
Feel it.
You'll die.
Can you feel it?
You're dying. The burning has
She's
begun.
dying. The burning.
The burning has begun. You've got them.
You have to.
Where's the door?
You have to find a way out.
Find the gate.
Get out. Run.
Run.
Look at you.
Run. Run now. I can't find you. Where's your sword? Defend yourself. Where are we? Where is it? I'm not certain. What death feels like.
Du grusiger Hurenwichser, Mann.
It's close. It's close. Move away. Senua, move away. I feel it. You'll die. You feel it? You're dying. The burning has begun. The burning. The burning has begun.
Go to the gates. There they are, the ruins. You can get through.
Run! Run now! They're coming! Where's your sword? And your sword is that creature. You can't defend it. It's Dillian. Find the creature. Where's Dillian? Where are we? It's not safe. I feel unsafe. Where is it? I'm not safe. You're dying. You're lost. This is what death is. Dillian!
Senua! Senua! What happened?
They're blaming me for the plague. They say that I'm cursed. What if they're right?
How would they know such a thing? Are they gods? None of us are. They're just people. Good people, but they're scared. They're afraid of what they can't see. Like children scared of the dark. They make up stories to fill the void. That doesn't make them true.
What if my father was right?
You have to step out of this darkness. Let them see who you really are, like I am. You're not a monster.
Without you, this darkness has made me a monster.
Killing you would be too easy. They're taking your memories to torture you. They're taking you from the inside. You're disappearing one memory at a time. Every time you remember, it disappears. They're going to take everything. They're not yours anymore. They're going to take everything you have. The memories of ghosts. They belong to the gods, not to you. They're eating you from the inside. They want to kill your soul. They want to crush
I want to tell you a story about a god of the Northmen called Balder, the second son of Odin. He was beautiful, good, and wise.
disappearing with your memories.
He was fair of feature, he spoke fair words, he gave fair judgments. Light shone from him. Only good things were told of him. Yet he was the first of the gods to die.
You've come this far, but the bridge is broken. There's no way you can fix it. What do you do next?
Focus.
Where are we? It's the same. It's another world. It's lighter.
It's nicer. I like it here. Can we stay? Let's stay here. I like the way it's safe here.
The bridge. It's not broken. It's fixed.
What happened?
The bridge is fixed.
Let's cross it.
The Northmen tell this story about the death of Balder. It begins with dark dreams. Night after night, Balder dreams of his own death, and the gods fear for his life. So Balder's mother makes everything in the world: fire, water, iron, stone, earth, wood, beasts, birds, serpents, poison, sickness. Swear an oath not to harm her son. One by one, they each make their vow. Neither weapons nor wood will injure him, Balder's mother boasts. Only Loki, father of Hela, the mistress of death, is not amused.
Go through it.
It's dangerous.
Follow it.
What's behind the gate?
Where will it take you?
It's not safe. The curse cross.
Dillion.
There he is. What are you waiting for?
Quick, find a way.
Find him.
Go.
He disappears.
Dillion, don't lose him.
Way too many times.
You always let him disappear.
Where is he?
Where's he gone?
Remember, Dilly. We're in the wrong world.
He's not here.
She's in here The world once seemed so simple. Black and white. Darkness and light. Narrow dividing lines of our own making. Dillian taught her to see further. To peek through the cracks and see the worlds of colour stretching away from the gloom. And Senua explored new paths into the unknown.
The gods feast and rejoice and amuse themselves by throwing spears and stones at Balder, striking at him with sword and axe. But he comes to no harm, whatever they do. The gods never cease to wonder at this great marvel. But Loki shapes himself into a woman and asks Balder's mother, "Is it really true that all things promise to keep him safe?" "I did not ask the mistletoe," Balder's mother confesses. "I thought it was too young." Oh dear.
You can't go up there. You can't go up. Not in this world. No. Not in. He's the reason she keeps fighting. You can't. Does it feel warm? Do you feel safe? Dillian loves you. Do you remember the smell of his neck? Do you even remember his love is guiding you? Do you remember the way he touched you? He saw that she was strong. He cared in a way that nobody else did. Remember, Dillian? Do you remember the ceremony? reason she's alive at all.
Do you remember him whispering in your ear?
He was the only one that really loved her. He did love her.
Does it feel warm? Do you feel safe? Dillian loves you. Do you remember what love feels like? Dillian didn't believe in the curse. Dillian believed in you.
Do you think she remembers him?
Dillian saved you.
Dillian cared for her like no one else has.
Dillian's the only reason she's still alive. Dillian saved you.
Dillian cared for her like no one else has.
Dillian's the only reason she's still alive.
Do you remember the way he looked? He saw who she could be. He saw who she really was. He saw the warrior within.
Why isn't he here?
He's gone.
He's in the dark world.
He's gone to the dark world.
You're in the wrong world.
He's in the other world.
The dark world.
Without you. She listened to her father. She thought she could defy the gods. There he is.
Where are you taking me?
He's up there. There's a way. There is a way up there. Find the way. She can do it. You're nearly there. She finds the way.
Nobody will love her now. Can you remember what love feels like?
And goes to the gods as they throw things at Balder. The blind god, Huth, was there. Loki asks him why he wasn't taking part. Huth says, I cannot see where Balder stands, and even if I could see him, I have no weapon. Loki replies, here is a wand. I will tell you where he stands. And Huth throws the mistletoe at Balder. It pierces through him, and to everyone's horror, Balder is killed. And for this, Huth is slain.
He led you astray. You should have listened to your father when you had the chance. Why didn't you listen to him? This love has tortured you, and it tortures Dillian. He led you astray. You should have listened to your father when you had the chance. Why didn't you listen? You were guilty. Was it worth it?
The Northmen tell how the gods mourned Balder. His body was to be burnt on his ship, but they could not manage to push it into the sea, and sent for a giantess to do it. She comes riding a wolf and has vipers for her reins. She pushes Balder's ship into the sea with such force that the ground shakes and the rollers burst into flames. When Balder's wife sees his body carried onto the ship, her heart bursts with grief, and she dies. She's put next to her husband, and the pyre is lit, sending the dead to hell. But even so, the gods cannot accept his death.
She is pure darkness.
Years had passed since she left her father. She trained hard alongside her friend, Dillian. She saw things no one else could. Patterns, shapes, movement. An intuition that made her an exceptional warrior. Friendship turned to love. But the shadow of darkness never let her go, and she was caught between two worlds. That of Zinbel and her past, and Dillian, her future. Two realities tearing at her soul.
Everything gets broken in the end. You've killed him with your love because he believed in you. Why didn't she? She could do it. Do you know? Was it worth it? Was it worth it? You're still alive and you have no chance for love now. Nobody will love you again. Ever again.
are just toying.
Do you remember the way he
What if the gods are laughing at us?
messing with her
It wouldn't be
moods? This time, he cared in a way that nobody else did. You broken. You couldn't see the darkness within you. Dark.
He was the only one she could trust.
Could she trust him? He didn't believe that she was cursed.
He saved you when everyone else turned their backs.
Overcome with grief, the gods send Hermod to ride to Hel and ask Hela to let Baldur return home. All the gods are weeping, he says. Are they? Asks Hela. We shall see if he is truly missed. If everything in the world will weep for him, he shall go back to the gods. But if even one thing refuses, Baldur stays with me. The gods send messengers everywhere. Weep for Baldur. Weep him out of hell. And everything wept. Men, beasts, earth, stone, trees, metal, everything. Except for a giantess they find in a cave. Baldur was never my friend, she says. Let Hel keep what she has. The Northmen say that the giantess must have been Loki in disguise.
You have no doubt your heart that loved her. You squashed it, stripped it.
The curse cannot be undone.
Wasting your
You have no time for this. Speed up. You should have listened to your father when you had the chance. They sent you trials to distract you. Love has tortured you.
set you up, and now they're going to watch you fall.
What if these trials mean nothing?
Laughing at you.
What if they take you no closer to Dillian?
You're letting this get in the way.
What if they are just to tire you out, to make you weak before the battle?
You kill the things that are most precious to you.
Odin didn't deserve this.
Do you remember how he made you feel?
What if this is pointless?
What are you doing? Why did you think you could make this work?
You keep seeing runes. You see runes everywhere.
Everywhere.
But what if they're not real?
What if they don't actually make sense?
What if they're a trick?
The gods were lying.
If you think it makes sense, but really the gods are playing with you.
It makes sense in your mind, but it doesn't make sense in the real world.
The gods do, but it doesn't mean anything.
You can't read this language. You don't understand.
Sinbel
it.
was right.
You're wasting time.
You're cursed.
You'll never succeed. No! Quicker!
Perhaps that if even gods must accept death,
She's alive at all.
then so must we.
Nobody will love her.
Can you remember what love feels like? Look what happens to the huge fire.
Dillian!
Dillian never much cared for the underworld, and looked dimly upon the druids, like her father, Zinbal. I guess he took after his father, a chieftain who believed nothing he couldn't see, and he happened to be blind. She felt safe in Dillian's arms, and to see the world through his eyes. Slowly, the darkness that had bound her so tightly began to unravel.
Very, very careful. It's a narrow bridge, and there's a long way to fall. Your fault. He's disappeared. You
Senua, your father cannot understand your darkness. He cannot see through your eyes. No one can. My own father was born blind. Doesn't have the faintest idea of what the night looks like. The word dark to him means as little as the word light. So someone is afraid of the dark. Should we fix them by taking away their sight? Would you give up the beautiful world that you, and only you, can see just to be rid of your nightmares? Or is this the price you pay for the gift you have? A gift that makes you so special in my eyes. Just another part of the person I love.
I left for the wilds to protect you from my darkness. Because I love you. But it made it worse. I'm so sorry.
You've done it. You did it. The warrior trials. You need the sword. Go get the sword. You have to get the sword.
With grammar reforged, you will have Odin's blessing to walk, a goddess, into the halls of Helheim and challenge Hela as an equal.
So Dillian was helping me. And the sword will lead me to him. Like when we first met.
say that their Allfather, Odin, gave his eye in exchange for a drink from Mimir's well, the Well of Wisdom. In blindness there can be wisdom. Only by giving can you receive in return. For this reason, I give my life and pass on my stories of the Northmen to you, Senua.
Where am I? I can't see. Who's there?
Can you hear me? I'm right here. Can't you see me?
Help me.
Breathe slow.
The darkness.
Stay still. Empty your thoughts. Tell me what you feel.
The breeze.
Good. Then there is a way out.
I can't tell where it comes from.
Yes, you can.
The others. The voices. They've gone.
I'm still here.
It's so quiet. So dark.
It's okay. Listen to your own breath. Feel it rise and fall. Good. Be aware of everything you hear and feel. Let your senses guide you.
I can't go on. Dillian?
Find a way. I'm not leaving you here.
I think I'm somewhere else now. The breeze has gone.
Use all of your senses. Let the world speak to you. What do you hear?
I hear water.
Go to it.
Reach the water.
Good. That's your way out. Follow it upstream.
So sorry. I thought I left this all behind.
Don't be sorry. It's not your fault.
He was right. It's inside of me. It won't let me go.
Senua. My father. He taught me the hardest battles are fought in the mind, not the sword. I'm no coward. Prove that to me in warrior trials. This is just another battle. You can beat it.
This isn't your battle. You don't have to help me.
I want to. For
believes there's no escaping the past in this place. So she's forced to relive it. To what end?
There's a water. I can't go on this way.
Then look for another way and tell me what you find.
There is a house. I don't know what's inside.
Don't be afraid.
Tilly, there's something in here.
Do you see it? No. Then it cannot see you. Quietly move past it, one step at a time.
Not following me.
Leave it behind. Keep moving forwards.
I think I'm in a house. It stinks of death.
The darkness is testing you. control.
A well. There's a well.
Don't turn back. You're getting close.
Dillian. Help me.
Come to me.
Dillian. Is that you? I can see a light.
Yes, I can see you too.
She could spend hours, days even, trapped within herself, in the dark.
You see me?
Yes.
Your eyes were open, but you were gone.
And when it finally let her go, she could be anywhere, with no memory of how she got there.
When it comes for me, I have no power over it.
But here, for the first time, someone was there to help.
But I heard your voice. You brought me back.
You found your own way back. All you needed was a little help. A little hope.
Yeah. Und jetzt gehen wir endlich das Uhrenschwert.
Dillian gave her the strength to pass the warrior trials, and she saw a way out. To leave her past behind, and become a warrior in Dillian's clan.
The sword is tainted by the gods of darkness. Leave it.
No. He left it here. He wants me to take it.
You will pay a price for this.
But years later, with Zinbal's parting words still haunting her, the darkness came back with a vengeance. The plague.
Tyrion?
Everyone suffered.
My father was not supposed to die like this.
Do you see it clearly now, Senua? The suffering you've caused.
This is your fault. You brought this plague to us. You have blood on your hands.
What the fuck?
They're coming for you now.
They're coming.
They're coming to
Hold
get
your
you.
heavy strike. Hold it. Hold the heavy strike. Hold it. Hold it. Hold your heavy strike. Unleash the sword. She can't remember. She can't remember. I knew. Still, still. He finished him. Take him down. Take him down. Get him down.
There's nowhere to run to.
In the sea of corpses, the corpse waved through itself over the ones I loved. The ship broke up under them. The ship that had sailed from the land of shining fields. Their memorial stone is sacred. Come not here in the sun. Come not with a sword. Come not crying over a naked corpse. Come not with disturbed mind.
Aha, da braucht ich gar nicht zu fahren, du Hurenschlumpf. Da kann ich gerade abbauen. Sagst du mir wie, vielleicht?
She doesn't know where she's trying to get to. Is there any escape?
Schau ich da noch so Händelgang. Das ist geil. So, ich habe jetzt etwas anderes für Sauber.
Do you hear the suffering, Senua? Does your precious gift of sight let you see the souls that rot here in this sea of corpses? Do you feel the blood running cold on your skin? Do you hear their endless cries? Do you smell their putrid wounds? They were once brothers, sisters, and loved ones. And look at what you have done to them. All because you were a coward, because you ran from your curse instead of facing it. When you turned your back on your father, Zinbo, you turned your back on the gods, and let the darkness wreak havoc on your people. Why must they pay for your heresy?
You can do this. Make it. Go again. Jack.
Amazing. Tosta.
Who is it? Galena!
Where are you?
Do you hear the voice of your mother, Galena? She calls for you, Senua. Go to her. Answer her pitiful call.
Darkness took her life, and it will take...
Mother! I need you! Help me!
You're both dead. You both surrendered to the voices.
Your dear beloved mother was powerless against the darkness when it came for her. She too had a sight. She too doubted the gods and let the darkness infest her. But she didn't run. She escaped the only way she knew how. She gave her life to the gods.
If only you had done the same, the world would have been spared this horror.
It's not too late. She's calling for you. Why don't you join her?
it happens. Quick, 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 quick!
She's injured. She won't. The mirror. It's filthy.
Und schön war das. So. So entlang, ne?
Why do you still fight on? Maybe you too should suffer with your brethren in this rot and let your blood seep into the seas and the rivers of hell. Isn't that what you deserve after all? Well, give the darkness what it wants, let it swallow your soul and destroy.
Schnell gehst du mich nicht, du Tier. Fick dich.
Why are you fighting for someone who is already dead?
Gut.
Just look around you. What hope is there for when his soul could be rescued? Do you think he would thank you for what you have done to him, to his friends, to his father?
Niet zo'n vette papi. Also die Hälfte im Lesen gegangen und weiter überstreichen. Verlieren ja auch wieder Faden zur Geschichte.
You're both dead. You both surrendered to the voices. The darkness has taken you. Galena and Senua. Galena and Senua. You are lost. There's nothing you can do. You're dead. You're both dead. Mother and daughter dead in the sea of corpses. The voices took her and they'll take you too. The voices have taken her. The voices.
I can't fight it anymore. Not on my own. Where are you, Mother? I want to be with you.
night, she gave up on her world to follow in the footsteps of her mother, to go to a place where the darkness couldn't reach her.
Senua, look at me.
Do you hear them? They're calling for me.
We've lost so many. And I've lost my father. I can't lose you.
You said it. I have blood on my hands.
I didn't say that. You've done nothing wrong.
Simba was right. Everyone will suffer.
Zimbel is a fake. He is a hateful, bitter liar. He's poison. And his words still haunt you. Who do you trust? Him? Or me? Do you still believe in me, Senua? In us? Come back to me. Please. Don't let this darkness come between us.
The hardest battles are fought in the mind. He gave her the sword with which to fight in more ways than one. And she gave him her word, never to surrender. All she needed was a little help, a little hope.
We're here to help you.
You need us.
So worried.
Silence is lonely.
Didn't know where you'd go.
We're here to help you.
You can trust us.
Trust us.
Senua, it's us. We won't leave you. Helen, don't leave us. We're here to stay. She needs us. She needs our help. She always does.
We found her.
We found her. We found you.
Here she is.
We're back.
There's a door.
You can do it. You can see it.
Go away. I'm not listening.
Om man så går det in میکنم.
I will tell you of a great hero named Sigurd, son of Sigmund, no less. Born after his father's death, Sigurd is cared for by the dwarf Rain. But Rain does not love the boy. Instead, he plans to use him for his own ends. You see, Rain's father possessed a great treasure given to him by the gods. But Rain's brother, Fafnir, killed his father and took the gold all for himself. Fafnir hid the treasure out on a heath and could not leave it. And from the evil in his heart, he turned into a dark creature. A dragon.
Ein Dragon? Okay, so da können Drachen fighten. Nice.
She can feel it. No. Don't open the door. No, go in. Don't look back. What's it?
Get back! A great beast guards Helheim. Garm is its name, and it knows you are here, Senua. It can smell your stink. What are you afraid of, Senua? How will you say Dillion if you are too much of a coward to step into the shadow?
They can't stop me.
Then do it! Shadows. Your sword is useless here.
Do you hear that?
Don't fall for it.
It's me, Senua. It's so loud.
It's not her.
So full of hate.
It's a trap.
I just want to help them. Tell me what to do. Your father wants them to go away. And he only hurts me to silence them. But he's gone now. They always come back. He says I will die if I go with them. They say I'm already dead. No, they want me with them. Stop! That's why they crawl through the walls. Don't Do you see them? Do you see their faces? He's coming. Senua, help me! Help! Get me out of here! Don't go! Where has she gone? She's disappeared again. She shouldn't be here. She escaped the darkness. She took her own life to escape it.
She can't remember when it started. When her mother lost her smile. Her eyes gazing past her towards a world she could not see. This is what happens if you reach for the underworld, he said. It was a lot to take in for a child. And the first time she felt the cold chill of fear. I don't talk much about her father. Sinbel. I suppose I just didn't want to risk upsetting her. But it doesn't matter now, does it?
Her torch is going out. No, it's not. It's going to run out. She hasn't got much time. Out. She's too slow. It's not going to burn out. The darkness will come again. Light. Safe later.
Medusa. Oh. Verarsch, das ist doch ein Mann. Nein, sind der Pär. Oh. Whoa.
It's not over. It's not over. You can do it. It's nearly over. You behind you. Now, focus. You can't go anywhere without your light. Take the torch and move. What'd she do? She's lighting the torch. I'm not gonna help her. She's lighting the torch. Do you think she can slip away from the shadows? If you let it? You're right. Two more to find. Why are you doing these pointless symbols are pointless. They're meaningless. Others. What have you collected when there's nothing behind the door? See, Dillian. It's just another trial. Just another trick. Just to distract her from her real mission. You think you know, but you don't. Someone had her. Dillian is dead.
Ich habe jetzt auch nicht mehr den Lichterplan starten. Du kannst mich nicht killen, du Wichs.
Just keep going.
Verarschung.
She has it. She did it. She's done it. Well done.
This place. It reminds her of the isolating, suffocating darkness that she lived through as a young girl. Imprisoned in her room at night, the faces in the dark, coming through the walls. She once thought everyone could see them. I mean, that's what children say all the time, isn't it? That there are monsters in the dark. By the time she realized that only she could see them, her father, Zinbel, could see the monster in her.
Sachen durch die Scheiße.
She'll have to go under. She will. She has to. She can't. Told her to go out. Go out. She has to keep going. Go towards the light. She can make it. She can do it. The light's gone out. Run. Get through it as quick as you can. The panic.
Und so saure Drecksvieh, das sagt bei dem, ich schwör's. Ja, das Beste, das Beste.
Rain the dwarf's sole desire is to possess this dragon's accursed treasure, and he uses Sigurd to reclaim it. He tells Sigurd the story of Fafnir's gold, and the good-hearted hero promises to slay the dragon if Rain would forge a strong sword for him. Sigurd remembers that his father once possessed a sword given to him by Odin. Odin broke the sword to bring about Sigmund's death, but Sigurd's mother still has the pieces. And so Rain reforges the famous sword. Sigurd uses the sword first to avenge his father, and then he and Rain go in search of Fafnir.
fears. The beast is crawling into your mind, searching for weakness. It found your mother and used her to trap you in here.
Did you see her die? I don't remember. I was only 5. They told me she escaped the darkness, that she's with the gods. But what if they lied? What if the darkness took her and trapped her here?
She's get her mother out. Mother doesn't. Where is her? It's just...
It's a trap. The beast is coming. Stupid little baby. What? Have you died?
No! No!
You've lost it. It's over. Without his head, you will never bring his soul back. His fate is sealed. Now it can see you at your weakest. The time you suffered as a child at the hands of your father Zindo while you pined for Dillion. Do you remember that darkness, Senua? The beast is bringing it back.
Mother, why did you leave me? This darkness, it's spreading. Father's keeping me away from the others. Away from Dillion. I won't give up. I'm not going to rot in here. I'm going to find Dillion.